There's only one place in the country where a research university is trying to move from a conventional dairy farm to an organic operation.
And of course, most farmers who are going to be transitioning to organic are coming from a conventional background.
Which is why the work being done at the University of Minnesota's West Central Research and Outreach Center in Morris means so much to farmers in the Midwest and around the world.
There are many farmers in Minnesota that are organic farmers that just don't know it and could be certified without a lot of muss and fuss.
Researcher Dennis Johnson has a herd of dairy cows living the organic life, which includes spending the summer months eating straight from the pasture, using all natural feeds, and not receiving antibiotics. The organic herd is kept alongside a conventional herd, giving the researchers a life-size laboratory.
We're measuring economics, we're measuring the health of the animals. We're trying to document everything we can that's likely to happen to a dairy farm that is moving from conventional to organic production system.
Organic products bring farmers more money because some consumers prefer the health and environmental benefits of organic food. That's one of the reasons why U of M researchers like Johnson are taking a close look at what it takes for dairy operations of all sizes to make the switch. But farming is only part of the story.
Another rule that's of great interest is that antibiotics cannot be used except to relieve pain and suffering of the animals.
It's no surprise that research on organic farming is a big deal for the agriculture industry. What might surprise you is that research being done here is also big news for the healthcare industry.
A huge percent of the antibiotics that are produced and used in the U.S. are used in livestock.
Tim Nowikoff studies antibiotic resistance at the University of Minnesota Morris. The transition from conventional to organic dairy gives her the opportunity to study if bacterial resistance goes down when antibiotics are taken away. In other words, would organic farming, which uses no antibiotics, make all other antibiotics more effective because bacteria has less of a chance to develop resistance to those antibiotics? Wyckoff says the results are very preliminary, but
bacteria from the organic cows tend to be more susceptible to antibiotics.
So, healthy, organically managed cows,
you're feeding a higher amount of forage, fewer grain, the animals get more exercise, so they probably have a very healthy environment.
Could lead to healthier humans by way of giving us more effective antibiotics.
We really have to think about the population of bacteria on a farm as being just part of the population of bacteria everywhere.
Which is great news for farmers and everyone they feed. For the University of Minnesota, I'm Justin Ware.